Welcome to VTuit, your trusted platform for mastering IT skills and advancing your career. Today, let's explore our Amazon RDS administration course, designed to make you a cloud database expert. Amazon Relational Database Service, or RDS, simplifies database management by automating setup, scaling, and maintenance. It supports major engines, making it a versatile solution for developers and businesses. Cloud database skills are in high demand. Learning RDS empowers you to manage scalable, secure databases while opening doors to high-paying roles like cloud engineer and database administrator. Our Amazon RDS administration course covers everything you need to know, from the basics to advanced skills like backup strategies, monitoring, and optimizing costs for real-world applications. You'll gain hands-on experience with real-world projects, including database migrations, multi-AZ setups for high availability, and advanced monitoring techniques using AWS Cloud. While we don't issue certifications, our course prepares you for the AWS Certified Database Specialty Exam. At VTuit, you'll enjoy expert content, flexible learning, and all the resources you need to succeed. Don't wait. Start your journey to mastering Amazon RDS today. Enroll at VTuit.com and take your database skills to the next level. VTuit, empowering your IT future. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel.